welcome back to my channels, and for those who don't know me, I'm AJ Santos and welcome. So for today's video, I'll be doing a tutorial, and this is the 3-barrel hair waver. It's actually from my sister and I'm gonna use it now, and I've actually tried this with my friend, with my hairstylist friend, and she tried it on me, and I feel like doing it now because I'm not doing anything. So I'll show you, so stay tuned. So for that, I actually put something in my hair. This one, it's like a wave definer, and then dried my hair sa electric fan kasi wala akong blow dry. Tapos I usually do cut my hair like this. Yan. Natural na straight yung hair ko, so it's going to be hard, I guess. Pero hindi na ako nag-conditioner ngayon, so that's okay. Actually set this up for 190 degrees, so I think that's fine and that's hot now. And I'll be doing a beach wave, actually messy beach wave hair. So let's not try it ng super parang gagawin mo bonggang kulot, because this is kinda mermaid, the usual daily mermaid hair. So yeah, lower part, and then I'll start right here, and then
kuhain na lang natin. Kunti lang pala yung pinagay ko. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then go on the center part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. O, diba? Okay, next. Usually magawa para sa center.
difference. This is a not boring one. This is a boring straight hair. So I like this one. Okay, let's fix this one now. voila! You're done. You're good to go. Diba? Yola, I'm done. So if you wanna get this look, you can watch this video to learn a little bit more, because I know there's a lot of good ones here in YouTube, but this one is like super messy hair, daily, not boring one. Diba? It's so cute. Like if you can see it right now, how good is it? Look at that. It's so good. So for today's outfit, I'm just wearing my Forever 21 top, Sunny's Face lipstick, and then I put a lip oil from Pinky's collection, and then just eyeshadow and my Everbalana blush on. So yeah. So again, this is how it looks like. Again, guys, for watching my vlog today, and I hope it helps you a little bit. And I know because there's a lot of good one here in YouTube. So yeah, stay tuned for my next one, and don't forget to subscribe and click notification bell button so you can be notified if I upload a new one here. So bye.